Together we ride on this winding road. So join us, folks, on this journey of ours. With love and laughter, we'll reach for the stars. In our truck, with our dogs, we're making our way. Come along for the ride, it's a brand new day.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We appreciate y'all being here. On today's episode, we get into some craziness when we've got to pick up a load in Chicago and bring it all the way down to Dallas, Texas. So come along for the ride and hope to see you at the end. Y'all, well, we are loaded up. We're on our way to Dallas, Texas, and we're going to try to get out of this Chicago traffic without causing no mayhem, which is not a guarantee, but we'll do the best we can. So appreciate y'all stopping by, staying tuned, and we'll film a little more leaving Chicago, but other than that, we're going to hit the road. Hey y'all, are you interested in the expedited lifestyle and you have a Class B CDL? Or do you just want to try something different in the trucking world? Well, here's your opportunity. If you like what we do and you like what you see on our channel, give our friends over there at Hyfield a call. It's quick, simple, easy. 833 Hyfield or 833-493-4353. Option 1, and talk to our friends over there and let them know you're interested. They've got a great support system for drivers, and they're always there to help. No matter what time of day, they're there for you. And they also are dog friendly. So if you have pets and you want to bring them with you, contact Hyfield. They're there to reach out to you. Even better, let them know J Squared Expedite sent you. And remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. All right. Well, we're at the F&M Petro. We're going to get fuel. Top the tanks off. It's not the cheapest in the world, but the next closest spot that's cheaper is quite a distance away. So this is what we got. This is what we're going to do. So let's get some fuel and grab a snack and something to drink, and then we'll get back on the road. Alright y'all, well it's simmer down. It is 12:25, almost 12:30 Central Time. I'm done for the day, it's for the night, and wife's fixing to wake up and take over. So we'll see you in the morning when we get to the delivery, and we'll kick this one off in Dallas. So see you then. Alright y'all, well as you see we didn't film much going to our delivery. It's kind of a location where you don't like to film at. But you see when you left there, went to a Blue Beacon, got the truck washed, and now we're at the Loves here in Texas, about 40 miles from where we deliver. It's the closest, kind of closest Loves we like staying at. So we've made it, we're here, we're done with this load. Thanks for riding with us. We'll catch you on the next one. Remember, Be good to one another. Live to expedite another day. We're gonna walk back to the truck. We're gonna call it quits. So we'll see you on the next one.